Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how I clean my fridge. It's not going to be in any orderly form or whatever. I'm just cleaning it the way I know how to, just so, and all the main purpose is just for me to empty it and get the dirt out of the fridge. So my fridge is a little bit small, so don't mind the way I arrange things there. Is not for any fancy or whatsoever. It's just to get the things out and get it clean. Okay, so that's the main purpose of this video, and I hope this inspire you guys to clean your fridge as well. Sometimes we don't remember to do this because we are just used to open the fridge and put things in there, but because the fridge is like a daily use, so the more we open, put stuff in there, bring out leftovers and all of that, it retains dirt in there. So yeah, I finally have time to do this today. Enough of my talking. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this inspire you to do the same as well. Like I said earlier, if this is your first time, please join the family and subscribe. Please leave me a comment down below and also give this video a thumb up. It will really mean a lot to me. Like I said, if you have not joined the family, please subscribe. Join the family of KG Care World. We would love to have you. So I'm just starting to clean the door, so I can put back the thing that I took out from there. I can put them back before I start with the stuff in there. So I'm done with the door, and I'm going to go in and start bringing them step by step. I have some leftovers there. I'm going to start at the upper part and bring out the yogurt, the fridge, some of the leftovers. Let me not talk too much, guys. Just enjoy the video. Thank you for watching once again. I love you all. Enjoy the video. And at the end of the video as well, I'm going to be cleaning my kids' little swimming tub at my backyard. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, once again, enough of my repetition. I love you all for watching. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video. Here I have ogbono, dry ogbono egusi, crayfish, pepper soup. And this one I'm gonna be using for my smoothie prep later on to freeze them. And I have my oranges, apple and carrots here. My soup ingredients, they are all dry ingredients. And here I have my lemon and grapefruit. Also here I have the yogurt, cheese and butter, and syrup and mustard, whatever. The milk for the kids. And down there I have ginger and lemon and prawn there. not today, y'all, because I don't even know how to go about that. I have to defrost the fridge and bring all of this out, which I don't have anywhere to put them. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna be, it's not really bad. I can just spray that and clean it up, but for the purpose of no space to put all of this while I'm working on it, and some of them has to stay in here. So yeah, it's not really bad as the fridge, because this is where we use often. This is where the fridge is what we use often. The freezer is just for storage, and we don't use it as much as we use this. That's why this is more dirtier. So this is what I did, and I'm really happy I did it. I hope this inspires you to clean your fridge. We all have that dirty fridge, guys, especially when you're a mommy. There's no time to do all of this all the time, but once in a while it's good, especially the tray in there. Those, I never expected what I saw there today, but like I said, I'm happy I did it. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope this inspires you to clean your fridge as well. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Also subscribe if you haven't.